Tectonic family, a big move may be coming. It's your boy 𝐤𝐨𝐳𝐫𝐞 Millie. I'm back with another one. Let's talk about Tectonic. I've been seeing a lot of people on Twitter talking about Tectonic FI and how it could possibly be the future in banking. Now, we know we've been going through a banking crisis with the traditional markets. So right now, family, not financial advice, this may be the time to start looking at the decentralized ecosystem and find some of those borrowing lending protocols that offer a passive income, far better passive income than any savings account. Let me know inside the comments what lending protocol is your favorite outside of Tectonic. I love to know what products you guys use. It helps me with content creation and also engagement. And don't forget, hit that notification bell. All right, so let's get into Tectonic, the charts, and why a big move is coming. So you can see here, Tonic Crow. This is not the official Tonic Crow. I'm not sure who this is, but they got the same thing. But neither here or there. They did post a pretty interesting post here. It says, "Be the bank, supply your tonic and earn interest. Get instant back loans. Take control of your finances. The time is now for decentralized banking." And that's pretty much the narrative, family. Decentralized banking. I think this narrative is actually underrated, and we'll see a lot of projects like Tonic, like 𝐦𝐤𝐤 in the next bull cycle do really well. But Millie, why are you saying a big move is coming? Well, family, if you could take a look at the charts here, you can see for the last month we have held very well. We got a little dips, and those dips are, maybe from the CPI, maybe from the FOMC, but no dips where you're seeing some major sell-offs. For the fact, in fact, for the last 3 months, family, you can see we had that major move to the upside, and then we've been going through consolidation and correction. Now, usually, this would be, lower low, lower high right here, and you could say that we're in a downtrend. But family, I found something on the charts that could show us that we could potentially be moving into the next big move for Tectonic. But I like this stability here, you feel me? Not too much volatility for a project with a small market cap. I seen these same type of moves with Pendo, and then Pendo exploded. Make sure you join the Patreon, man. We doing super DJ stuff over there. But Pendo exploded, and we went from 6 cents all the way up to like 38 cents, family. So again, this Tectonic here this is what you want to see after you see an uptrend. You want to see consolidation, maybe a small correction, but you want to see stability and that volatility to actually loosen up here. But let's take a look at the charts. I found a few interesting things in the charts. Now you can see we do have a descending triangle, right? But the reason that this is bullish is because we're coming off a move to the upside. So a bullish move to the upside, and then you got the descending triangle, family, which is normally bullish. Okay, if we were coming from the downside and we got a descending triangle, then we would have a different conversation. But you see here, uptrend, descending triangle. And usually these descending triangles, what they do is they coil up here, boom, and then they move to the upside. Now, this is the daily chart. So what you want to do is you want to go to a lower time frame to get some more information. What I'm predicting here is that the RSI resets, right? We get a little bit more pain. So as the RSI goes down, we will get that pain, resets. We'll see the stock RSI also reset. Both RSIs will reset. So what you want to do is you want to go to a lower time frame, which is 4 hour right here, get some more information, and you can see it's actually playing out perfectly, family. You can see that this descending triangle is playing out perfect. We have our support here at around 6017, and you can see the next move as the RSI and stock resets will be somewhere around here 0617, right? And then once this RSI resets, and I don't even think we actually make it all the way down to the support here. I think that this move is already done. We move back up here because the RSI on the 4 hour has already reset, and you can actually take it a step further, maybe go to the hour and see, bam, you can see that the RSI here on the hour is almost overbought. So you want to keep that in mind. That's why I think we get a quick move to the downside, right? Let's go back to the 4 hour. We get a quick move to the downside. We bounce off support, one more move to the downside, and then boom, we got our major move to the upside. So if this plays out like I think it will play out, family, and it'll probably I say a 60% chance of playing out this pattern here. But what gives me the confidence that it will play out is this pole right here. So you can see that this is bullish. You can see we got a strong move to the upside. We're descending, right? Basically coiling out, getting as much power as possible. When this resets, now this is the daily, this might take a few days, but when this resets, be looking for the reset, because when this thing resets, that's when I believe we will finish the pattern here and move to the upside, taking our next move and next leg up. Now, we got to see what Bitcoin does. Of course, we got to see if Bitcoin continues the bullish momentum, and we got to see a little of that dominance from Bitcoin go down. But family, I'm confident that we may get this move if we don't hear any crazy things in the market, because you know how it is, man. We get a black swan event, Jay Powell yelling can come out and talk. So just keep that in mind. Not financial advice, but again, I'll keep an eye out on this. If I got to do an update video, I will do an update video, but we'll keep an eye on this pattern, because what you want to do ideally is you want to catch this thing when the RSI resets. That'll give us some pain and a buying opportunity, and watch Tectonic fly. Tectonic also has a strong community, family. It has a very strong community. You can see that they're rolling up a new utility here, rolling out a new utility, which is multiple isolated pools. So instead of having single cross isolated pools, now they have multiple isolated pools. And you can see some of the benefits of having multiple isolated pools. Make sure you go follow the official tectonic.co page, where they're letting you guys know some of the updates on the roadmap and some of the things that they're rolling out. So you can see here some of the benefits of having a multiple isolated pools. They'll be able to list tokens with lesser liquidity, allowing you to be a super degen, higher volatility, and most importantly, better security. So instead of the whole pool getting attacked, if we have like some type of hack or bug or something, the isolated pools kind of like separate the super degens from the maxis, right? The people that's here for the long term. So I think that the isolated pools is actually a good thing. With isolated pools, Tectonic will benefit from more options, open doors for more listings, better security. Value at risk is completely limited to the pool in question, and capital efficiency, which is opportunities for higher LTV. So check that out. Go on Twitter. Follow me if you gotta follow me. Check out Tectonic. And last thing I want to show you guys is the 𝐴 here, the 𝐴 pair on BTC. So we'll be keeping an eye on Cronus, because usually when we see Cronus make a move, we usually see the projects within the ecosystem also make a move. You can see Cronus right here sitting at 6 cents, but the BTC pair, as you can see, has been in a downtrend, family, and that's not actually a bad thing, because you can see on the daily, the BTC pair for 𝐴 has reset, stock reset, and RSI resets, and we got a potential move if we get some bullishness here to the upside. Usually what you do on these downtrends, what they do is they break to the upside just like that, right? We go down, and then we get all the paper hands out and break to the upside. So keep that in mind. We'll keep an eye here on Tectonic, and we'll also keep a high eye here on 𝐴. But yeah, if we get some type of bullishness from the 𝐴 BTC pair, you want to pay attention to what 𝐴 is doing upon BTC. If people are using their 𝐴 to invest in the BTC, or people are using their BTC to reinvest into 𝐴, you can see here the 𝐴 BTC is on a downtrend, and I'll be looking for it to break that downtrend to the upside, which would coincide with this move right here from Tonic. All right, so that's my update on Tonic. Looks like a big move is on the way. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Are y'all still bullish or bearish on Tonic? What are your favorite lending protocols? Let me know inside the comments. Leave a comment, engage the video. It's your boy 𝐦𝐨𝐫𝐞 TV. Millie, I'm out.